welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday. We are getting ready to get up out of here. I am headed to my dress alterations appointment at Nordstrom. I have to get my second dress altered. I had a dress and then I picked my shoes, and the shoes I love so much, but the dress was a little off as far as the color, the ivory tone. So I picked another one, ordered it through Nordstrom, and I'm working with the stylist and the seamstress so that we can pick the rest of the outfits for all the other things wedding related, and then get the dress taken in significantly. Praise God. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I just wanted to start the vlog with y'all. I'm probably just going to take you guys on my phone, to be honest, because I don't know, I feel like there's going to be a lot of moving parts, and I just don't want to be fumbling around with an actual camera while I'm trying to be in the moment with this. So I'm probably just going to use my phone. Oh, Clarence texted me, I didn't even see it. Yeah, so let me let him know. Headed to my alterations appointment. He asked me what I was doing. I'm like, headed to my alterations appointment, but about to do that. And I may or may not catch lunch on the way back. I probably will get a coffee while I'm there because I need a second one. I want to make one, but I really need to get up out of here. So I will see you guys when we make it there. I'm putting the kids' Easter baskets together. I got them each kind of newer ones this year, so I got faux grass falling everywhere. Let me fix the camera for you guys. There we go. But I've got like all of their things out. This is Caden's basket. So you've got like chocolate bunny egg, Peeps. What are these? Carrot balloons. Reese's, Easter socks, and like their big egg and things of that nature. So I'm about to stuff this faux grass, put the baskets together, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm trying to keep quiet because everybody in here is sleeping too, and my hands are kind of occupied. So let me get the basket together and then we'll reconvene. That's what it looks like. It looks like y'all aren't cooperating for the pictures. We just had lunch at Papa Do's. It was really, really good. I put lotion on my hand, forgot to put my engagement ring on. Now I feel naked. I had a swap thing, so y'all know how that do me.
The SWAT team.
Yeah, near the kids and Clarence. And now we're about to get in the car and head home so that we can do an Easter egg hunt. Hopefully it's kind of dried up a little bit. Maybe we can do it outside, because this morning it was raining and we thought we were gonna have to do it inside. So, but yeah, we just had Papa Do's and it was so good. You gotta get on Daddy's side so he can put you in the seat. Oh gosh. We're in Babe's car. Oh my gosh, it's
That's the cup.
yeah. Give it to Daddy.
In the bushes, Chris.
But yeah, our food was good. I got the, let's see if I can sit you guys down. Clarence got his parent pickup too. Hold on, y'all. But I had the catfish. It was really good. I always get the catfish. I got it fried this time. I think I had it fried last time too. But you can do it fried or blackened. It was good. Fry hard, me please. It was so good. I brought that home. Kaden had crawfish etouffee, and his was really good. Clarence's food, his salmon was chef's kiss. I tried like a little bit of it, and it was really tasty. And now we're headed home. Hello you guys, it is so many days later. We are actually getting ready to go on spring break vacation. We're getting packed up. The kids had an amazing Easter. We went to Papa Do's. How many days later is it? Today is Wednesday. We're getting packed up because we leave in the morning. I already got my hair done. I didn't get a chance to like film it. Easter was Sunday, today is Wednesday, so it's been like 3 days. So didn't get a chance to film that with you guys because I was just kind of in and out. Cam got his hair cut the same day, so everybody's good on their stuff. I'm just finalizing some packing stuff so that I can like finish editing up and then try to get this out for you guys the day that we actually leave for vacation. I just had to put some lotion on my hands. Yeah, let me swivel you guys around and show you where I'm at in my packing process. I'm bringing my MCM large Liz. Inside, I'm just putting all of my like toiletry stuff. So I'm bringing my Trusay 28, my Trusay 23. My 28 just has like all of my skincare. Sorry, the strap. All of my skincare, oral hygiene, shower stuff, post-shower stuff, shower cap, and things of that nature. And then in here are my makeup brushes and my makeup. I'm bringing my toiletry 19 because it has all of my fragrances in it, and like my Donna Karan deodorant, my travel perfumes, things of that nature. And then deep down in here is my Dior jewelry case. I'm gonna bring this. It just has all my jewelry for all my different outfits. And then in here is just this Dior pouch. Let's see. And this is just a Dior pouch. It has all of my hair stuff in it. So my comb, my brush, my flexi rods and my travel scarf and bonnet. I don't keep the same scarf and bonnet that I travel with at home. I just like to leave all my stuff. So I have like travel hair accessories, all that stuff is in here. I think I put an extra hair clip down in here just in case. And over here is like all of my stuff. So the kids, so I'm packing the kids up in just their travel backpack and my carry-on Roberto Cavalli. And then this is the larger Roberto Cavalli suitcase, and Clarence and I are just gonna pack our stuff in here. And so I've got my main packing cube with all my clothing items. And then the other one down here has like all of my intimate stuff and my swimwear. And then I just got my travel shoe bags that I'm bringing with me. I think I have 4 of them in total. Yeah, 4 of them in total. I actually got these from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Believe it or not. But they fit shoes perfectly. They're just little travel shoe bags. And they're perfect if you have shoes that didn't necessarily come with shoe bags. And you, of course, don't want your nasty shoes touching all your clothes. So, packing up, getting everything situated. And, of course, Clarence will be on this side of the suitcase. And, just trying to pick out my handbags really quick and get everything situated. The kids are already set. It's just me and Clarence that got to figure out the last minute stuff. So I'm gonna finish packing, and then more than likely I'll get with you guys tomorrow, right before we head out. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's the next day. Headed out for vacation. I meant to come back, but I ended up just continuing to pack or whatnot and kept it moving. So we're getting ready to head out for vacation. It's like a little bit after 9:30, 9:42. We're about to head out. I'm gonna close the vlog up with you guys, and then I'm gonna reconvene when we do the actual like vacation vlog. So hopefully you've enjoyed the Easter vlog. Like I said, the boys had a great time. Brunch was amazing. All the things in the in-between time, I did get my hair done for vacation. Yeah, and we're ready to go. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.